Hello, good morning. In the last video, we have seen the types of tragedy. In this video, we are going to discuss about the types of comedy. Already we have seen what is meant by comedy. Comedy is such a drama which is written about a happy side of the life, that is the light side of the life. Again, like a tragedy, comedy is also divided on the two type of basis. The first is about the structure and second is a theme. Whenever we supposed to be a structure, comedy is divided into two types, that is classical and romantic. When any comedy is written as according to the rules and regulations, that means when rules are followed and comedy is written, that is called a classical comedy. And when rules are ignored, rules are avoided, there are no rules and regulations, and when writer writes a comedy according to his wishes, according to his purpose, that is called romantic comedy. Classical form was attempted by Ben Jonson. In the Restoration period, the classical comedies were first written by Ben Jonson and another dramatist were there in the Restoration period. The classical form of Ben Jonson is known as a realism in the drama. And whatever Ben Jonson has written the comedies, he followed the rules and regulations, and therefore his comedies are classical comedies. Also, his comedies are known as the realism in the drama. वास्तविक विषयावर आधारलेल्या कॉमेडी असल्यामुळं या नाटकांना सुद्धा रियालिझमचा एक काळ असं संबोधल्या जातं. दॅट इज रियालिझम म्हणजे वास्तविक नाटकं. ही मेड ड्रामा अ मिरर ऑफ लाईफ, मीन्स व्हॉट इज गोइंग ऑन इन युअर लाईफ, दॅट इन्सिडंट, that happenings, that events are reflected on the stage, and therefore the same things are going on in the society, that the things are going on the stage, and therefore it was the realistic drama, and which was written by Ben Jonson in that period. The Restoration comedy is also called a comedy of manners, because this comedy taught the people of the society how to behave in the society, how to speak, how to walk, how to talk, how to wear, how to eat. All these things are going to be called manners, and therefore this type of comedy corrected the mannerless people, and they taught us how to behave in the society, and therefore this comedy is also called comedy of manners. It focuses on attention on life, manners, love episodes of the upper class. Here, William Congreve is another very powerful example of the dramatist who has written lots of comedy of manners, and therefore William Congreve was supposed to be a supreme master of the comedy of manners. Then, the romantic form was tried by Shakespeare. As we seen, romantic tragedy also tried by Shakespeare, romantic comedy also tried by Shakespeare, and there were three university wits, talented people of university named John Lilly, Robert Greene, and Thomas Nast. These three writers were there along with Shakespeare. They have written the romantic form of comedy because they avoided the rules and regulations. They have written their comedies according to their wishes, out of which Greene's romantic comedy Friar Bacon and Friar Bungay is the famous example of this romantic comedy. Then, what are the various types of comedy which are based on the theme? Here we see, according to theme, the divisions are numerous. Various divisions are there. We are discussing about the 7 types of comedy which are based on the theme. The first is the humor comedy. It is implied by Ben Jonson. He stated his theory of comedy in Every Man in His Humor. Every Man in His Humor is a famous romantic comedy or famous humor comedy, we can say, written by Ben Jonson. Here some lines are quoted from his drama. We can read it. Then, comedy of humor presents a realistic picture of the manners of the time it deals with the low life. Humor comedy कशी असते? Humor comedy is based on the humorous episodes. Humor present through the realistic mode of life, realistic pictures of the manners of the life. वास्तविक जीवनातलं चरित्र रेखाटून त्याच्यातनं विनोद फुलवणं म्हणजे ह्युमर कॉमेडी. आणि खास करून खालच्या दर्जाची लोकं, जी कमी महत्त्वाची लोकं किंवा गरीब कुटुंबातल्या विषयाला हाताळून विनोद तयार करणं, दॅट इज द ह्युमर कॉमेडी. देन अनादर इज restoration comedy of intrigue. This deals with the circumstances which arise out of infidelity of love and marriage. It is a very beautiful type of comedy, that is the infidelity of love and marriage. Infidelity म्हणजे अविश्वास, प्रेमात किंवा लग्नात असलेला अविश्वास, ज्याला बेवफा असा शब्द म्हणतो आपण. या विषयावर, या एकंदर घटनेंवर आधारलेली जी नाटकं असतात त्याला म्हणतात रेस्टोरेशन कॉमेडी. देन द कॉमेडी ऑफ मॅनर्स. Comedy of manners, it is like a humor comedy, but some differences are there. The manners employed in the comedy reflected the modes and conventions of the upper class society. The prose employed was artificial and even the wit in the plays was not attractive. There is a difference between humor comedy and comedy of manners. The purpose of both the comedies are maybe a same, but this comedy deals with the upper class society. Humor comedy deals with the low class of life. Comedy of manners deals with the upper class society. Here we can see it is a upper class society. श्रीमंत लोकांच्या जीवनावर आधारलेली कॉमेडी, कॉमेडी ऑफ मॅनर्स. इट्स मेन पर्पज, व्हॉट इज द पर्पज? द पर्पज इज टू करेक्ट द मॅनर्स. समाजातील वरच्या आडीतील श्रीमंत लोकांना मॅनर्स शिकवण्याचं काम या कॉमेडी ऑफ मॅनर्सने केलं. But this comedy, it is not the real reflection or the realism of the drama, it is a artificial drama. हे वास्तविक नाटक नाही, हे कल्पनेवर आधारलेलं, कृत्रिमतेवर आधारलेलं नाटक आहे. याच्यातला विषय कृत्रिम असतो, याच्यातला गद्य हा कृत्रिम असतो, याच्यातलं हसणं हे सुद्धा खास अट्रॅक्टिव्ह नसतं, हे सुद्धा कृत्रिम असतं. दिस इज द कॉमेडी ऑफ मॅनर्स. देन another type of comedy, that is genteel comedy. What is genteel comedy? This type was employed by Golly Sieber. Golly Sieber, who was a famous comedy writer in that period, he ridiculed the false appearance of the 18th century society like wings, shoes, toilets and ribbons. Gentle comedy, we can say, it was the attack on the fashions of England in that period. All these words we can say are deals with the fashion, the wings, shoes, toilets, ribbons. Means this is what the satire. This comedy is a type of satire, we can say, on the subject of wing, shoes, toilet and ribbons and the fashionable life are the false appearance of 18th century society. 18व्या शतकातील चुकीच्या पद्धतीनं देखावा करणं, फक्त देखावा, जगण्याचा आव आणणं, आपण अतिशय हुशार किंवा स्टँडर्ड समाजातल्या आहोत असा भ्रम तयार करणं, या भ्रमावर एक प्रकारचं व्यंग केलं आहे गॉली सीबरनं, अँड दॅट इज कॉल्ड जेंटिल कॉमेडी. देन सेंटिमेंटल कॉमेडी, इट इज अ सिरियस टाईप ऑफ कॉमेडी. दिस टाईप प्रेझेंट टीयर्स इन्स्टेड ऑफ लाफ्टर. Distressing situation, pathetic heroines, serious lovers and honest lovers in place of rough galliants and witty manners. This comedy deals with the serious subject. Here tears are there instead of laughter. हसण्यापेक्षा रडणं जास्त असेल, दुःखद परिस्थिती असेल, इथली हिरोईन ही दुःखी असेल, पण हिरो हा प्रामाणिक असेल, सिरियस लव्हर असेल. मीन्स ऑल दिस थिंग्स deals with your sentiments of the life. That is, this comedy, we can say, it is an emotional type of comedy which touches directly to the heart of the people. This comedy is based on the lover and beloved, relation between wife and husband, and there is a emotional type of relations. Sentiments are there in between these relations, and these sentiments are portrayed in this comedy, that is called the sentimental comedy. Then next, the comedy of dialogue. If the plot started mainly through dialogue, assigning less importance to the incident, it is called comedy of dialogue. साधा आहे, जेव्हा एखाद्या नाटकात घटनेपेक्षा डायलॉगला जास्त महत्त्व दिलं जातं त्याला कॉमेडी ऑफ डायलॉग असं म्हटलं आहे. आणि इफ द ॲक्शन्स आर गिवन मेन इम्पॉर्टन्स दॅन द डायलॉग प्लेज सेकंडरी पार्ट इज कॉल्ड कॉमेडी ऑफ इन्सिडंट. आणि ज्या नाटकामध्ये एखाद्या घटनेला कृतीला जास्त महत्त्व दिलं असेल, एखाद्या डायलॉगपेक्षा डायलॉगची भूमिका दुय्यम असेल, तर त्याला कॉमेडी ऑफ इन्सिडंट असं म्हटलं जातं. दीज आर द 7 टाईप्स ऑफ comedy which are based on the theme. In the next video we will start with the tragicomedy or one act play or another types of the drama. Till then, okay.